this training program?
So we have been, Children's Paradise Montessori School has been a partner of Cebu City LGU, particularly in the professional development of their early childhood care and development teachers, or ECCD teachers. No? So in 2008, no, so we started because of Joy Agustus Yang, who was then a counselor, I think, no, niya, kanang education magkakaiyaha. So, he has been very aware that kaning first 6 years good of a child's life bitaw, ang brain development, grabe gyud kaayo ka kanang active. And I think he was sent abroad, no, and joined a conference where he learned na we really have to capture that window of opportunity in developing a child's future because of kaning capture na to yung brain development. So coming back to Cebu, ingon siya nga that's his vision. So ni himugay to siya Genius Babies as his coadjunct murag kanang project. And then nangita siya og unsa kaha, because of that kanang brain development during the first 6 years, nangita siya unsa pa iyaha pwede mabuhat. So Montessori, he came across Montessori, and so nangita gid siya og Montessori nga kanang training, no? So I used to be president also of the Association of Montessorians in Southern Philippines, together with other schools, no, in Cebu nga Montessori pud ang approach. And we said, no, together with Dr. Joy Quintanar, owner of One World Montessori, ingon mi nga sige, let's support kaning vision ni Counselor Joy Agustus Yang at that time. So it started there. Unya murag wala na gyud na wa sa iyaha nga Montessori because most likely nakit-an sa gyud niya nga nagyud difference sa approach sa mga daycare centers, daycare children ba. So 2008, 2009, I think there was even 2010 and 2018. So in ana ang murag bitaw ang history ani. And so now murag nibalik siya, ingon siya nga no, we really have to bring back Montessori kay nawa ba, no? So they really invested training and even materials kay how can you be Montessori without the Montessori educational material? So they invested. So, na to, 2018, di ba nga, 2026 na, 8 years ago pa to. So, ingon siya, no, we have to have retraining, refresher course, and even, training for those nga wa gyud kaagi pa, no? So, this is exactly the reason why we're doing this for Cebu City LGU, no? So, so the purpose gyud is to empower good and elevate also the quality of our ECCD teachers, no? So through the Montessori approach. So the intention now is to really improve good the quality of education. Unya relevant kay siya kay karon mo gid ang atong giatubang crisis. Unya kani di ang window of opportunity nga first 6 years. Murabag, asa man na siya, kinder is already part of DepEd curriculum, but before kinder, naa kay opportunity diha and naa ang mga bata in the hands of the ECCD teachers. So mas grabe gali kay na nga kanang the absorbent mind of children. So we really have to make sure nga we entrust these children, in the hands of professionally trained kanang teachers, right? So mao ni siya ang intention, no? So wala siya ang intention. So right now we have 2 programs, no, nga gi-run karon. There are 263 nga ECCD teachers of Cebu City. Ang 60 gi-filter gid ni siya nga mo ni sila ang nakasuway na og mga 3 to 4 trainings in the past, no? So ingon mi nga i-level up na nato kay 3 to 4 trainings na pila na to katuig. And so we said, let us make them more kanang like leaders, mentors, no? So to their new or to their colleagues, no? So mo ni siya nga batch. So we have the ECCD teachers Montessori mentorship training program. So this is what we will have this morning, no? 10 days na ni sila with us, no? So karon is like a culmination, and we look forward na makakita gyud mo, baka witness mo sa ilang own transformation as individuals, as teachers, and hopefully as kanat yung advocates of Montessori, no? And then the next batch, ang kanini silang wala pa gyud nakaagi og Montessori training, or mga 1 or 2, makaingon dito 1 or 2 basin, 8 years ago nawaan na siya. So we really want to go back to the basic yun na Montessori training. So two batches. The first batch is the mentorship program, and the second batch is just the basic, no, going back to the basic. So that will happen starting next week. 10 days would na siya.
So basic.
Basic Montessori training.
Unsa man siya?
Yeah. So we will provide them with, the theory of Montessori approach, and really the curriculum, the method, how to teach children in a Montessori way. Other than teaching children, ang amo yung emphasis yun, because that was really the intention of Dr. Maria Montessori, is really to prepare the adult. So much of the work that we've done and that we will do for these ECCD teachers of Cebu City is to really prepare them internally. No, kada yung self-reflect yun ka, even to the extent that we invite them to go back to their own childhood and see how their own childhood has contributed, no, to who they have become right now as adults. Because then, muna na ilahang awareness na, so grabe day kay ang childhood, and to be entrusted these children, dako kay ko accountability or responsibility. So hopefully they will take advantage of that, mission, in molding and really nurturing children, to become the kind of adults that we want them to be in the future.
Kan 263 ECCD teachers, all of Cebu City,
Yes, Cebu City ra gyud ni 263. Right, from what I understand, kaning 263 centers, and napo na sila
center.
neighbor, kanang tong dili gyud, wala siya center but naa siya sa barangay nga like sa chapel baron or ginana. Diko mo.
So 60 ang yung return.
60 ang katong batch 1 because mentors na ni hopefully they ang 200 next week mag.
It's the recognition day of the mentorship training program, guys. And these are
We have our
the
video
graduates.
friends to take photos of you. So one at a time.
Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that I wish for will be.
First day, and now on the 10th day we can see how light, and we can see how ready you are to face the children with more love, with more compassion, with more calmness, with more confidence, and with more competence. Yes? Yes. So, ready na ba mo sa school year 2026-2027? Yes! That's the spirit and that's the power.
House teacher, introduce the teacher, fires out the upper limb. Okay, tayo na ni teacher, asa na itong upper limb. Okay, pakita si teacher, asa yung shoulder. For curly. Close to you.
Goes.
Ang binisaya sa hands kay kamo.
Andala siya pagsulod sa eskwelahan. Sa pagsulod niya sa eskwelahan, gisugat siya ni Teacher Clark.
Kani siya mao ni ang dahon. Dahon.
lost. I said, Supreme Court ruled against me. I have to pay for it. I said, what kind of government is this, ba? So, when you remember those notebooks, doesn't even have my face, doesn't even have my name. Like comics, how anti-littering, anti-drugs, but there's no Tomas Osmeña, Mayor, loves you, wala, nothing. So, it was final and executory by the Supreme Court. So what I did, I asked for a meeting with the members of the Commission of Audit. They met with me. So I flew to Manila and I met with the commissioners there, the 5 of them, parang it's like the movies back then, Court Martial, they're all there, all the judges, all the officers there. The moment I came in, isapansan ko. Mr. Osmeña, you should understand, the law is the law. Funds cannot be used for a private person. I said, I realized that, sir. So I guess you are exempted. And then he said, Chairman said, what? No, we're not exempted. Of course you're exempted. I shouted, you're exempted. When I entered this building commission audit, I went to the bathroom. You're giving away free toilet paper. That's a private person using that. You're exempted. The rest of us are not. They did not collect. But this will just tell you the kind of experience I have. When you try to do something right, you think you're going to get a medal. Instead, they give you a headache. That's why I'm very grateful with what you're doing. I just like to remind you that as long as I'm there and Joy Young is there, we will be pushing. Our government is lousy. This year, just to give you an example, we are building new classrooms. You know how much our budget is for new classrooms this year? Anyone has any idea? 2 billion pesos. You know why? Because all the previous mayors did not know that we have money in the school board fund. 2 billion pesos. And right now, there are many schools that take classroom. All the while, all through the year, the money is just sitting there in the bank. That's our government. Hooray for Mike Rama! Hooray for Labella! Hooray for Garganera! Hooray for all of them! And that's the price our kids are paying, and they do not see it. There is so much that can be done, but like I said, I have the body of an 80-year-old. My mind is very active, but physically, my days are running out. But I would like to assure you, kudos akong mahimo. I'm there. And as long as Joy Young is there, I'm happy that I don't have to spend so much time because he's the one that's looking into this. So once again, congratulations and thank you for your devotion. I know that I'm so far high above everything, but children is always close to my heart. The slogan of BOPK, if you don't understand our principle, it's only 2 words. Walang iwanan. And that's the role you're playing. Help our kids. Thank you.